some of these questions are similar, but they have some real commercial implications. So one of the questions we often get, Carol, is when should I choose native and when should I choose cross-platform? Can you give us some insight on that?
Yeah, I've put some, you can see some recommendations for a product owner, let's say. So when you should watch out for a cross-platform tech. So one of the biggest mistakes is that product owners, they choose the tech sometimes before they finish functional requirements gathering. And we always recommend choosing the tech after the final process of requirements gathering, and in some cases, even after UX and UI design. So that's the first recommendation. Sometimes commercial decisions have to be made. Do you adjust the UX and UI to match your existing tech, or do you try to achieve the best UX and UI and replace your existing tech? Of course, the latter is the better for a long-term perspective, and of course for your users too. But if you have to weigh the financial implications of such a decision, and other things are what we've mentioned before. So low-level code should always be done in native language. These are the Bluetooth integrations, Google Maps, which is still in a preview mode in the Flutter, for example, or other IoT and external devices integration. This should always be done in native language. Also, when your team is inexperienced in cross-platform, you shouldn't go that way. You should stick to native if you have experienced people working with Kotlin, Android Kotlin, or iOS Swift. And when you're aiming for the highest performance of the app, you should also choose a native instead of the cross-platform. I will give you some more recommendations at the end of the webinar as well. So I will add a little bit to that topic.